Today we are going to look at the top 5 budget gaming PCs to buy in 2023. All items are linked in the description. Let's get into it. First off, we have the Lenovo Legion Tower 5i. The Lenovo Legion Tower 5i is a gaming PC that combines power and performance for an immersive gaming experience. With its powerful Intel processor and NVIDIA graphics card, it delivers smooth gameplay and stunning visuals. The Tower 5i offers ample storage space and the ability to upgrade components, allowing you to customize your gaming rig to meet your evolving needs. While it provides excellent gaming performance, it may not have the same level of aesthetic customization options as some other models. If you're looking for a reliable gaming PC that offers strong performance and upgradability, the Lenovo Legion Tower 5i is a solid choice. Coming in at number 2, we have the Acer Nitro 50. The Acer Nitro 50 is a gaming PC that offers solid gaming performance at an affordable price. With its AMD processor and NVIDIA graphics card, it delivers smooth gameplay and impressive graphics. The Nitro 50 features a sleek design and includes RGB lighting for added visual flair. It also offers ample storage space for your games and files. While it may not have the same level of customization options as higher-end models, it provides a reliable and budget-friendly option for gamers. If you're looking for a gaming PC that offers good value for your money, the Acer Nitro 50 is worth considering. If you are enjoying this video, please like and subscribe. Next on our list is the HP Omen 25L. The HP Omen 25L is a gaming PC that combines style and performance to elevate your gaming experience. With its powerful Intel or AMD processor and NVIDIA graphics card, it delivers excellent gaming performance and impressive visuals. The Omen 25L features a sleek and customizable design, allowing you to personalize your gaming rig to match your style. It offers ample storage space and the ability to upgrade components, ensuring you can adapt to future gaming demands. While it may come at a higher price point, the Omen 25L offers a premium gaming experience for those seeking top-tier performance and customization options. Next on our list is the Acer Predator Orion 3000. The Acer Predator Orion 3000 is a compact gaming PC that packs a punch. With its powerful Intel processor and NVIDIA graphics card, it delivers impressive gaming performance and visuals. The Orion 3000 features a bold and aggressive design, showcasing its gaming prowess. It offers ample storage space and the ability to upgrade components, ensuring your gaming rig can keep up with the latest titles. While it may lack some of the advanced features found in higher-end models, the Orion 3000 provides a reliable gaming experience in a compact form factor. If you're looking for a gaming PC that balances power and size, the Acer Predator Orion 3000 is a solid choice. And finally, we have the HP Pavilion Gaming Desktop. The HP Pavilion Gaming Desktop is a budget-friendly gaming PC that offers solid performance for casual gaming. With its AMD processor and NVIDIA graphics card, it provides smooth gameplay and decent visuals. The Pavilion Gaming Desktop features a sleek and modern design, blending seamlessly into any gaming setup. It offers ample storage space and the ability to upgrade components, ensuring longevity and adaptability. While it may not have the same level of performance as higher-end models, the Pavilion Gaming Desktop provides a reliable and affordable option for casual gamers. If you're looking for a budget-friendly gaming PC without sacrificing too much performance, the HP Pavilion Gaming Desktop is worth considering. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Check back daily for new videos reviewing top products.